This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, my name is Parker Winters.
Do that again, please.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, my name is Parker Winters.
And I'm Danae Ries.
And we're going to... Oh my God. What are we doing again? We're going to...
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, my name is Parker Winters.
And I'm Danae Ries.
And we're going to demonstrate our PRS capstone product request system. So for this demonstration, I'll be playing the part of a newly promoted employee, and Danae will be playing the part of my manager, who also doubles as the purchase manager / reviewer. I, as the employee, got promoted to a higher position in a different office wing. Because this wing of the building has been recently remodeled, the offices are empty. Being newly promoted, I get to pick out furniture and supplies for my new office using the newly implemented PRS. My login information has already been entered into the system, so I am ready to log in with my username and password.
Parker now creates a new request, which will automatically assign him as the owner. He needs a desk, chair, and a bookcase, which, as you can see, he's noting in his request with the description and justification fields. Now, after the request is created, the products and quantities are now being added. The system already has a finite set of products that can be requested from their selected vendors, and the price for the product is built into the system. Once his products are selected, I tell Parker that the request must be reviewed for approval by either myself or another employee in purchasing. After the request is set to review, it's time for us to go to lunch.
All right, so Danae, as the purchasing manager / reviewer, routinely reviews pending requests. So after logging in, they go to the Review tab at the top to review my request. After clicking Review, they see that I mistakenly ordered a senior level manager's chair, which is not permitted. So they reject the request with an appropriate rejection reason. You can type your rejection reason into the box and hit the Reject button. And that's that.
We both come back from lunch, and once Parker logs in and to check on his request, he sees that it has been rejected because of the chair price. When he comes to me, I tell him to select a less costly chair, and he will set the request to review status again. So he goes to the chair on the request, clicks edit, and he can change it to an appropriate one. After he saves his changes, and clicks ready for review again, he will be off to enjoy a nice glass of Diet Cran grape juice.
So after logging in again, Danae sees the request has been set to review again. Going into the review details, they can see that the request includes a change in the chair type, which is more in line with what I am permitted to order in my new position. So they approve the request.
Parker returns from his juice and see that the request has now been approved. Meanwhile, I realize that he will need some more things for around the office. And I explained to him that a request totaling less than $50 will automatically be approved. So once he has started his new request and he adds his pens, paper, and folders, and asks for review again. Ooh, recycled. Then all that's left for him to do is click Save Changes, ask for a review. It's automatically approved, and he just has to wait for his products. Thank you so much for watching our demonstration today. I hope it was clear and that you could follow along appropriately, and I hope that you enjoyed it a little.